Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to request desktop site on Safari on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, launch the Safari browser from your iPhone home screen. Then visit a web page. Once the website loads, tap the AA icon available in the top or bottom right corner, positioned before the address bar. It opens the website view menu. Now from the available options, choose the request desktop website option. Safari will reload the web page in desktop mode. Tap again on AA to choose request mobile website. If you wish to open all the tabs in the future in desktop mode only, first open Settings app, scroll down and tap Safari. Again scroll down and find out Request Desktop Website. Tap Request Desktop Website. Turn on all websites. Go back and close Settings app. From now, every website will load in desktop mode in Safari. So these are the steps to request desktop site on Safari on iPhone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.